Good morning everybody from Malvern at Morgan Cars. And this is Matt Davis with Autoblog.com. Another shortcut. We're here at the factory where everything is hammered and handmade. And we're here today to explore the Morgan three-wheeler. This building right here is Three-Wheeler Limited. Morgan Three-Wheeler Limited. Let's walk in. And here we have... Watch out guys, just for 2 secs. That's fine. Talk, no problem. This is the new one with the S&S engine, the V twin. That was recently shown at Goodwood and raced up the hill with great success. That is what it's inspired by. A 1930s Super Sport. Dynamically crazy! This is one based on a Spitfire theme. Very nice RAF-ness going on here. Very British. And everything here is done by hand. Just one more thing to show you quickly. That right there is the first production unit. It will be kept by the company. This is the ash wood frame for the Morgan three-wheeler. This is the template for the three-wheeler itself in the wood shop. We're creating the ash wood frame. This is the wood shop at Morgan Cars. Smells really good, all this ash wood. The Morgan Classic Chassis Department with the Ashwood subframes. You see there? That is the Ashwood. And these are for the Super Sports, +4s, the Classics. You don't see any robot tools either. Kind of nice. Here in Morgan, this wooden jig for forming the rear fenders on the Classics, as you see there. These are 50 years old. They've been used the same way all these years.